Hi, it's Rich at Marvelous Ministry. How many of you think that you can change somebody's nature? That you can take somebody and you can fix them? You can change them and turn them into who you want them to be? I believe God would be offended if you thought you could change somebody's nature, because He's the only one that can give somebody a new nature. He's the only one that can deliver us from darkness to light, from evil to good, and give us eternal life in heaven with Him. If we think we can change people, I think that's pride or idolatry.